Meet the Govee RGBIC Floor Lamp. 16 million colors, 1,000 lumens brilliance. Customize every segment's color. It's like painting with light, Picasso style. Voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant. Your wish is its command. Download the Govee Home App. QR code included for easy setup. No guesswork. Music sync mode. Your lamp dances to beats better than your cousin at weddings. 58 dynamic scenes, aurora, sunset, ocean. Turn your room into a mood factory. 16 million DIY colors, enough shades to match your outfit, mood, or cat's vibe. Lightweight, sleek aluminum design. Move it easily, but it stays put when needed. Perfect for gaming, parties, or binge watching your ambiance, your rules. Adjustable brightness, up to 1,000 lumens. From cozy glow to spotlight ready. Supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only, because even lamps know 5 GHz is too extra sometimes. Enhance your home decor with tech-savvy lighting that feels like magic. Mark's living room looked like a crime scene, dim, lifeless, tragic. His friends joked, "Is this a cave or your apartment?" Mark shrugged. "I like it moody, ads, mystery." But deep down he knew. It screamed Netflix and nap. One day, his cat knocked over his sad, flickering lamp. Mark sighed. "Even the cat hates my lighting choices." Determined to fix his vibe, he Googled cool lights for humans. He found something that promised 16 million colors. Million? Really? Now his living room glows like a futuristic disco spaceship. Friends say, "Wow, Mark, did you hire a lighting designer?" Mark smirks. "Nope, just got the Govee RGBIC Floor Lamp." Customer reviews, 4.5 out of 5 stars, no. These look great. They're a little tricky to get set up when you put the LED strip in, but everything else is super simple. I got it on sale, so I got it for a decent price. I think for the regular price, they are a little overpriced. It's very light, the lighting is nice and bright, and it is multicolor, and you can program it to work with Alexa, which is what I did.